All right, folks, what up? I figured I'd do a quick tour of the house. I'm done. I don't live here anymore. This is a 3-bedroom house that I was paying $1,150 for a month. Big, nice living room. There's my truck. This is my old couch. I'm getting rid of that. Big, nice window. Thing that doesn't work. This is where the dining room was. This is where I did most of my work. I was working from home. I had a dining room table set up right here. This is where my fish tank was. My fish tank was right there. And then this was just kind of a living room area. And then this is the kitchen. I'm cleaning up. I got to pack up all my dried goods, but nice big kitchen. And then go back here. This is the bathroom. View out the back. Here's the first bedroom. This was my guest bedroom. I didn't have anything in here other than a queen size bed and some storage. Next bedroom is my streaming room. This is where I did all of my streaming on Twitch. It's totally emptied now. Streaming bedroom. Not much of a view out the window, but I did at least have a window. And then back here was my bedroom. This was my bedroom where I slept. Nice big closet. We're all cleaned out though. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys a house tour. Tons of people always asked me over the years, hey, give us a house tour, give us a house tour. I never wanted to do it because I lived here. And you know, lots of different reasons. But I figured I'd show you guys just a little bit of an interesting tidbit about what $1,150 gets you in Montana. So hope you guys enjoyed it. We're gonna go home here in a second and go live on Twitch. See you then.